Da-da-da. Where's that little redhead?
I don't see her. That's one out.
Dude, we're in the big old airport in Birmingham, Alabama.
Whoop whoop.
With Miss Jane Domino, right, Jill?
Yes. We're on a mission to pick up Miss Vivian.
Is that her over there?
I was like, it looks like her.
Is that her down there? Is that her? I think I see her. Oh, there she is.
There she is.
Tuck her right on up in here.
Right by the cop.
Oh.
Hey girl, hey. We get all of these boots organized out of the way. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna set those there. How many bags do you have? These are not new. Do you want to put your stuff in here or back there? Do you care if it goes back there?
Howdy.
What's up, girl? How you doing?
Because up to with all the boots. I knew you had a hot pink. Or is that hi? Hello.
Yeah.
I love when you do that to me. Look, I'm wearing boots. I'm making her.
Imagine that. I make the girls do the heavy lifting.
Huh?
So I make the girls do the heavy lifting.
We're stronger than you, so it's okay.
Hey. All right. We are got the party's all here.